Hey guys, I'm back. That's right, my phone keeps shutting off on me. I know I'm eating up a lot of battery power. But if you're new to my channel, please hit that like and that subscribe button. I will go back here because I'm at Copart. Like I said, you got your everyday cars. Hi, bud. Don't worry, they're not beeping at me. Yeah, 370s here. I started showing us. Yeah, somebody younger had it, putting a exhaust on it. The stick shift. Front end, a little beat up. Doesn't look like it's anything bad. Looks like it'd be an easy fix. Yeah, stick shift. Let's see if you can see how many miles are on her. I won't say. Nice little compartment, stick shift. I don't know. I'm not gonna try and find out, but yeah, I mean it's a nice car. Yeah, I didn't mess around with that bike again. Yeah, definitely a nice car. I mean, it'd be a nice little summer ride if you fix it up. Some older trucks, old landscaping ones. Dodge Ram that looks a little sad. I'm gonna rip that right out of there. Let's see what year. It's a 2013. Definitely not bad. Besides that, I want to damage the door here. Nice brown leather interior. It smells good in here too. Yeah, this is actually pretty nice. And that's the addition she is. Nice. And the front bumper, you get that, it comes with it. Old Dodge Ram, see how far they've come. Looking like that to this. Man. Little stuff a little beat up, but most people wouldn't even care. Another one that's taped up because it's all smacked up in the front end. American natural gas, huh? It smells like natural gas in here. Oof. Man, I'm getting out of this thing. Let that thing air out a little. 2019. This truck is brand new. Another one's smacked up. Amazes me how many of these trucks that are new that are just smacked up. I mean, it's the airbags are off. Silverado tow package. See if we can get inside. Be careful with the door here. Get past the. Yeah, this one smells brand new too. I'm sure this thing probably didn't have nothing on it for mileage either. Man, this is a nice truck too. It'd be nice to put back together. You got your regular work trucks right here. I see another newer one down there. Look here, we're just constantly bringing these in left and right. Okay, this one looks like a recovered theft. I'm guessing. 2019 Chevy Sierra. Oh, okay, maybe it wasn't a recovered theft. I mean, because everything is in the back here. Like, everything is in the bed of the truck. This will give you an idea how many car parts you can put in the back of it. Yeah, definitely got into a nasty accident, but I don't know why they bothered to strip everything down. I don't even have to open the door. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it even tore the headliner. Wow. Older Dodge truck. Yeah, the other section of Copart. There's another one. Love this color. Oh. Okay, that's no big deal. The door and the fender. It looks nice. Yeah, it needs a windshield. There's another one that smells new. Man. Amazes me. There's a whole nother section of Copart. Hopefully I'm supposed to be over here. Oh yeah, here's the really not the Polaris ones. These little, yeah, motorcycles and all that. I hope they got some exotics here because I want to see those. Yeah, somebody had way too much fun with this thing. Good Lord. Look at all these motorcycles. Just sitting out in the weather. Wow. That looked like it hurt. Oh, wow. Tore the rear end right out of that. Phew. Oh, yeah. Look at these. Oh, older quad runner. Other like side by side. All torn out. Harley. Some other sport bikes. What this is, I have no idea. I'm guessing it was some kind of a... Oh, it was one of those three-wheel ones with, you know, like a Can-Am. Wow. Yeah, it's burnt to a crisp. Axles from